Hello. Today I will be discussing why I believe sustainability practices should be something every successful hotel should embrace, because it is the guaranteed direction that the industry is heading towards not only today but in the future. Perhaps one of the most widely discussed topics in the industry today is the direction of hotels towards an environmentally friendly property that practices sustainability techniques within its operations. Whether it be in housekeeping or in the spa, hotel managers have been switching from traditional methods of operations in favor of greener methods that are not only better for the environment, but can also save money for hotel operations in the long term, with many other additional benefits. As hotel operations managers, pursuing a directive towards clean and environmentally safe practices will help attract some of the most significant demographics, while also strengthening brand reputation. Firstly, what led to the emergence and popularity of environmentally friendly practices in the hospitality industry? It is because of a generational shift. Millennials, also known as Generation Y, are individuals born between 1981 and 1996 and are the fastest growing demographic in the United States of America, with over 75 million currently in the country. According to Brookings.edu, millennials make up almost a quarter of the U.S. population, 30% of the voting age population, and almost 2/5 of the working age population. They are also one of the largest percentage of consumers and travelers, which means we should expect to see a good amount of millennials checking into our hotels now and within the next several years. Based on recent data about the correlation between millennials and the hospitality industry, a common trend that has been observed is that millennials are much more likely to support brands that convey strong supportive stances of environmental and social issues. So, how can we implement sustainability practices in order to attract millennials, who are one of the most significant and fastest growing demographics in our industry? In our business, we tend to be quite wasteful in terms of resources. In just one day of operation for an upscale hotel, thousands of dollars worth of food, electricity, and water amenities and energy usage are used for a short period of time and wasted away. Everything is in excess. Therefore, some simple suggestions to help reduce the amount of unnecessary waste and energy we produce during our operations include the following. As hotel operations managers, we can implement basic recycling and waste reduction programs that will be required by all departments so that all recyclable material used each day can be properly disposed of and collected in an organized manner. Water conservation efforts can be enforced in the spa, within guest rooms, cleaning facilities, pools, and more. Fixtures such as low-flow faucets and shower heads and low-flush toilets can be implemented in order to reduce water usage. Housekeepers can be trained to keep water usage low when cleaning rooms and bathrooms and when performing laundry services. Environment-friendly guest incentives can also be introduced in order to help sustainability efforts. Perhaps offer guests complimentary refillable water bottles and offer refillable stations. We can also give guests a complimentary gift for opting to skip housekeeping for a night, which will reduce laundry service and water usage, or giving a small discount to guests who minimize their use of paper products. Managers can implement technologies such as digital check-in to reduce the amount of plastic room keys distributed, installing solar panels to generate solar energy, utilizing LED-efficient light bulbs and lighting systems, and installing occupancy sensors that will shut off lights when areas are unoccupied. According to an article by Alaris Rajagopal titled "The Future of Technology in Hospitality is Green," supporting sustainable initiatives is an important priority to the lodging industry as a whole. The author states that, according to Forbes, millennials consider social responsibility and environmental friendliness when making their purchases, so brands have to rise to these significant expectations millennials have when it comes to spending their money. She concludes the article with important statistics, stating that as of 2018, 25% of domestic properties have received a green certification, the gold standard of sustainability, Linen and towel reuse programs are nearly universal among properties, and the majority of hotels across all segments have implemented a water savings program. Green certification in 2018 stands at 25%, up from 16% in 2016. Linen and towel reuse programs are nearly universal among affiliated hotels, with independent hotels not far behind. About 2/3 of hotels within all chain scales report some type of water savings program, which tells us that hotels need to continue to innovate and the future of technology in hospitality has to be green, or those brands that do not adopt to these emerging standards face being left behind. We hope this presentation has offered valuable information that will help hotel operations managers further grasp the importance of a direction towards sustainability for high-end hotel properties. By following the suggestions mentioned earlier, not only can we reduce unnecessary water and energy usage and food waste, but we can offer a significant lodging experience that will deeply resonate with the values and expectations of our guests now and in the future. Thank you.